Here we have a brand new F-550. As you can see, she's a super cab, which is the extended cab. This is an XL trim 6.7 diesel 4-wheel drive crane body. It's on a Warner crane body. It's got an 8,000 pound LIFTMOORE crane, hydraulic outriggers. It's got compressor, hose reel, it's got the hooks for cargo. Add in whatever toolboxes you like. Set up the outriggers. Of course, lighting, you're going to need that at the job site. Really nice cabinets. Let's go up here. See, she's got the long arm tow mirrors. Ooh. Check out the specs. You see she has a 24 4-wheel drive 550, 192 wheelbase. It's optional specs. It's a 6.7, the 4.3. 430 limited slip axle, supplemental heater, front license plate bracket. You live in a front plate state. The running boards, 19,500 gross vehicle weight rating package. The engine block heater, the 120 400 watt outlet, snow plow prep package, the high capacity trailer tow package, center high mount stop lamp, nice 40-gallon tank, the 410 amp alternator, payload plus package, dual battery, rear view camera setup, privacy glass, the XL chrome package. You get the rear defrost, the rear sliding window, fog lamps, and the remote start system. Check the inside. You get the 8-inch screen for the backup camera. Got your upfitter switches. Got your cup holder storage there. Flip that up. I got an extra seat. Extra storage under here. Got your 120 400 watt outlet there. Lightning USB, 12 volt here. Different drive modes, 2-wheel, 4-wheel, high and low select. Trailer brake control. Open this up. Make room for workers or cargo. Flip those up easy. Plenty of space. Got the marker lights up top. Little walk around. She is ready to work. Anything else you need added on, we can knock that out for you. Our fleet department is 404-729-1374. Call or text. We are in Atlanta. If you want to drive her home, we'll get you at the airport, or I can throw her on a flatbed, send her anywhere in the country for you. All the information for this build and our contact info will be down in the description.